Aruba, Aruba, Aruba. Good morning, y'all. It's your girl Jody Love, and I am back with another Bit Deep. Okay, I'm on a cruise ship right now, but today we dock at Aruba. Aruba. Getting changed right now. We're about to get off the boat, probably like 15 minutes. So I'm just going to vlog today because we're on an 8-day cruise, and vlogging for 8 days is crazy. So I'm going to vlog when we get to the places. So today we're going to Aruba, and I'm not doing no excursions, but I'm going to just do my own little thing today. I'll probably go get a massage at the beach, go to the Flamingo Beach, maybe go jet skiing because we're here all day until 9:30 tonight, and we get there at 9:30 in the morning, so I got some time. Okay, fit check. Got on my little toe shoes, little skirt, top, half a pack down, and yeah, pretty much everybody's off the boat. So, and I got my Polaroid camera too. Oh, he's so cute. Look at the cruise ship. I feel like I'm on Sweet Life as I Can Cody. It's this way. We've been coming here for about 3 days now. Okay, we're gonna go get something to eat first, and then we're gonna get something to eat first, and then we're gonna get off the boat. So that's the vibes for today. It's probably super hot outside. I've been getting a little tan. You can see my little shoulder. Getting a little tan. Most people, oh, we are finally on land. I can see a little city right there. Hey guys, I got Journey. We're on our way to Palm Beach. Woo.
Here at your left is the Eagle Beach, and there where you have the big hotels is the Palm Beach. There you have a bunch of stores and bars and a lot of things, so you can walk around, spend your vacation time.
YouTube channel.
It's cold in here, actually.
I need some loosey moose.
Place you can have small stores that sell souvenirs.
At the beach in Aruba, 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 Aruba. You're at the beach in Aruba, Aruba. Yo, this is gonna be a great day. We're not even here for 24 hours. We're doing a 10-hour trip to Aruba, honey. Like, yo, what you want to do today, Journey?
I just want to
Get in the beach? All right, we don't know if we should do jet skis or the banana boat ride. But my swimsuit is in here. And I got my Polaroid camera. So, Aruba, Aruba, Aruba. Okay. Well, no, you need to sing it. We made it to that beach. Oh, hold up.
I love the sand. Is this even sand?
Yes.
Jetski bet.
All right, they got Paris.
It needs to be at least 18, so I'm trying to drive.
Well, ask them. It might be. They got jet skis, the banana boats. They got so much stuff.
It's funny, y'all.
Is it fun? All right, they got the jet skis, parasailing,
It feels weird
snorkeling, tubing. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff. We about to see what we want to do. We about to go jet skiing. This is a video for YouTube.
I'm on the boat. We're about to parasail.
Oh yeah, we definitely ain't parasailing off of this boat.
No, this is the deck.
Yeah, this is the... I'm so tan. We have Kai and Darren up first for the parasailing. Oh. Lean back. Lean back.
That looks like it's
Okay, wait. Journey. Tell the camera how you feel about getting on the parasail.
that's okay.
Are you nervous?
Kind of.
You ready to get on? This your first time getting on?
Yeah.
This is my second time getting on. So we about to see how she does when we get up there, alright? Darren and Kai's up here already. Sheena's over here recording. Alright, how was it?
Fun.
It was fun. I give like a 7.5.
Alright, it's our turn, Darren.
We're good.
We're coming down early. Is you good, 50 Pop? It's okay, Johnny.
Listen, we thought they was about to drop us off. Journey, that wasn't a good one. Okay, we are eating now. What is this place called? We found, huh?
You laugh.
This is just for my vlog. I forgot what this place is called, but we found this place right next to the beach where we was sitting at. So let's wait for the food to come out. As y'all can see, the drinks and food was good. And I sure did just wake up from a nap. I sure did just wake up from a nap. I'm too tired. It's too hot. All this damn sand. I like the heat, but I don't like the beach. It'd be too much. Sand, seashells, like, I don't like the beach. But here we are. Bitch.
So we're getting on my inspired bus. If you know, you know.
We ran into Kennedy. Ain't going back and forth, but you did us. You don't want to get another one? Jamar and Kennedy.
Aruba.
I know.
So cheers for Aruba.
Cheers.
So cheers for Aruba. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm out of the mojito. That's why. I'm out of the mojito.
Okay, so we just went back to this place and went to go get some tacos and stuff. Now we're on our way back to the cruise. And my skirt keeps getting up. I'm so tired. We're ready for bed. I'm getting in the shower again and laying down because I'm exhausted. But that was our day in Aruba. Hope you loved it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.